how to add the WhatsApp status update widget to the home screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, go to a blank spot, then touch and hold. Next, tap on the edit button. And from the pop-up widget, tap on add widget. Now we scroll down to the bottom and tap on WhatsApp. In here, swipe to the left. Then once you see the status widget, you can select a small size or a medium size, and then tap on add widget, and the widget will be added to the home screen. In here, you can resize the widget to make it smaller or make it a bit larger to a medium size, then tap on done. Now after that, you can tap on add status. This will allow you to quickly add the status. You can choose the camera, or you can use video or text. And then tap on the send. That will allow you to post a status in this update section down here in WhatsApp. So if you tap on my status, it will show here just now. You can delete it if you want. So that is a shortcut widget that allows you to quickly open up or add a status. And then send. So it is now sending. And here we can open up the status, or you can add in a new status. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.